Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Thatpixiegurl. This is Mehr. If you don't know me, then hi. If you are here for the first time, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Be a part of my family. I love you guys. And yeah, today I tried to create this look right here. If you are interested in seeing how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So yeah, it's been a while that I haven't seated and filmed anything. So yeah, this is after like 1 week or so. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook because I'm mostly active there. So yeah, without rambling much, let's just jump into the video. I'm not including every product in my video because this is gonna be so long and you guys get bored when I make so long videos. So I tried to make the video shorter, and if you are interested in knowing what products I have used on my face, so check the description bar. I have mentioned the product's name and everything. So first I'm gonna do my eyes and then move on to the face because I have these two eyeshadow palettes from the brand called Focallure. I will link the name and everything in the description box below. I bought it from some Instagram page. I will give the link down below as well if you want to try them out. And I have these two palettes called Sweet as Honey palette, and this is the Burning palette. So the color selection is so nice and the eyeshadows were so pigmented. I saw some reviews on Instagram as well and I couldn't resist myself from buying them. So yeah, this is the first time I'm trying something from this brand and I hope I will like it. To prime my eyelids, I'm going to use the Maybelline Age Prime Concealer. To set my eyelids, I'm taking the ABS loose banana powder and I'm just setting it. I'm going to take this shade called kohl and apply it. I'm taking this fluffier brush and blending on the edges so that everything looks seamless and nice. Then I'm gonna take this shade called Turkish Rose and apply it on my outer corner. Taking some more of the Turkish Rose shade and applying it in the outer portion of my eye. I'm going to use the shade Turkish Rose here. Then I'm going to use the shade called Rosy Brown and I will apply it on my crease. Now I'm going to take the shade called Misty Rose and this is how it looks. Then I'm going to take a flat brush like this. So with a dry brush, the color intensity is 0 guys. So I'm gonna take a setting spray and spritz it on the brush. And I'm gonna take this shade called Pure Copper and applying it on this portion of my eyes. Just a little bit. now I'm going to take some more Turkish rolls and applying it on my outer corner and dragging it downwards. Okay, so I applied some false eyelashes, I applied some eyeliner, and I'll just quickly do my base and be right back. Whatever product I'm using for my face, I'll include everything in the description box because I'm not gonna tell everything in detail in this video. So check the description box to check out what product I'm using. Okay guys, I need to say something. This is the Music Flower eyeliner. If you remember, I bought it from Amazon and I showed it to you in a haul video, and most of you have requested me to create an eye look and do a separate video on this eyeliner, and I was thinking of doing it as well, but first I thought let's just try it on this video. And this eyeliner, you guys, this eyeliner is a crap. I don't know who was suggesting it to people. I tried it on the outwards and it started, turning into some small balls, and it was literally ruining my eye look. I first thought of, deleting the entire clip and shooting it again, but then I thought of, using another gel liner, and I used the Maybelline one. The Maybelline gel liner is really nice. I used it on the top of the Music Flower eyeliner. Then I applied lashes and, balanced everything. So yeah, this eyeliner is crap. Don't buy it. I have wasted my money, to be very honest. I'm not into this kind of eyeliners. I have never seen such a crap, shitty textured eyeliner before, so please guys, do not buy it. I'm not gonna make any separate video on it anymore. So yeah, I'm thinking of even throw it away. but the powder part is left, and I'm thinking of trying the powder part on my brows and see if how it works. I don't know, but I don't have any expectation from this eyeliner, to be very honest. So yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. So that's all about today's video, guys. I hope you like this look. If you did, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook because I'm mostly active there. And please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, that's all about it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.